What if you can generate a whole month of social media content in under an hour? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today using an AI tool that's going to take your brand assets, and it will have the ability to build photos, videos, and social media content made for your brand. And best of all, it even has auto publishing. As always, I'll have a link in the description below, but we are looking at Predis.ai, where it will help remove the time sink that you're probably in right now. The first thing you're going to see when you sign in is a content library, and just skip that for a quick sec. On the left side, we're going to go to brand and social accounts, and this is where you're going to get started. So you can actually set up and link all the different social platforms that you have, so it has the ability to post to these platforms. And you can go through, you can link all your different accounts. Honestly, it's as simple as clicking the add button. And once you do that, it's going to give you a pop-up. You're going to go through the process. You're going to set it all up. And now you have your accounts linked. Also have brand details, and you can actually fetch details from your website or whatever you have. This is actually how I did it. I fetched it from the website. It pulled all this information. It pulled some brand hashtags that we can add, different social media handles, and then if we keep scrolling down, it has our brand colors, and it goes on, it pulled the logo, and of course you can make modifications to any of this. And this is important. This is your brand, and this is how it's going to generate content for you. At this point, you should have your brand set up, all the brand colors, and all your social media accounts linked. So you have two options. You can start creating content, but before that, I recommend looking and using the competitor analysis tool. On the left side, we have competitor analysis, and you can actually see, we can see different competitors. So maybe we are competing against Apple. We have a phone company and we want to sell phones. You can actually click Apple, and to add competitors, it's literally as simple as clicking manage competitors. You can add in their Instagram. You can even add Facebook accounts. And once you have it in there, let me just flip back to Apple for a second just to show you. You can actually see here, we have a date range. So you can see what date range it falls under. We can see their followers, active engagement, average engagement. We can see and have access to all of their different metrics. So we can actually see how many posts they have and their content distribution pattern. So it gives you access to all this detail, so you can see exactly what your competitors are doing, so you can kind of match it or take inspiration from them and do it better. So you can actually see here, this is the different themes they have based off different theme labels. So music-based videos, and you can see the engagement based off what's working and what isn't. So you can say, okay, portrait mode is actually working the best based off their posts from an engagement percentage perspective. But it's also interesting that they shared the most posts about augmented reality. So you have the ability to quickly view and access all this content and break it all down. So you can see the total number of posts they have, engagement, how it's distributed, and online activity. And if you scroll all the way down, you can even see the best performing posts. Having quick access to all of your competitors' data is extremely helpful and powerful, because now you have the ability to go through, see what they're doing, and make adjustments based off what's working so you can make it work for you. There's also analytics on the side, so you can see all of your own statistics. And as you can see, I don't use Facebook very much, at least not yet. I'm going to. So you can see in the top left, we have create new. We're going to click that. And here we can actually make product ad videos. So if you have a product, we can make an ad for it, a UGC video, a facelift video, images, carousels, product shoots. You can see at the bottom, we have like trending memes, special days quotes. We can even do manual posting. There are a lot of different options depending on what type of social post you want to make for your platform. So let's start off with just an image, and you can see here we have some options. So we can write out of our idea, we can add a product URL, we can put in basically whatever we want. Just for fun, let's say we're trying to sell the Amazon Ring doorbell. We can actually copy this URL here. So we can put in the URL, it's going to pull information from the website that we put in. So you can see here it pulled the product description, the Ring doorbell. We can actually add a price. Here are the different images that it pulled, and then we can just hit continue, and it's going to kind of take us through this step-by-step process to make a really cool image for a social media platform. So you can see here we have like recommended ads based off what it thinks. We can also say, hey, let's view more, and you can see there are a ton of different templates that you can quickly access and use. So let's say we're going to use this phone-styled one here, but with our Ring doorbell, we can hit continue. Then you can see we can change the aspect ratio, so there are all the popular ones. So like 1:1, 9:16, the list goes on. They even have a drop down if you're not satisfied with what's up here. There's so many. Also also, if you notice, it says, hey, your brand details are going to be linked to the image. So we can hit next, and now we have a little summary, and we can hit generate. So what it's going to do is it's going to take a couple of minutes. It's going to generate a Ring doorbell ad photo based off our branding for us to post, for us to share. And just like that, we have our image that is ready to go. We can see our Ring doorbell. We can see the little phone that was part of like the whole advertisement. Our logo is in the top right. We can see it looks pretty good. And then if we like move ourselves over, you can see on the other side, there's the whole promote post. So you can see here the caption for the post. It made it for us, the hashtag, the reference photo, and it says, hey, do you want to post this or do we want to edit? So if we hit edit, we can actually make some quick changes. We can use AI to quickly modify the image. And then also we can hit publish. And if we hit publish, it's going to actually start publishing the post on our different connected accounts. So the content library basically has all the content you make, but there's also this whole ad inspiration aspect that you can see here. So there's all these different trending collections of things that exist. We can go down, you can see UGC ads, we can see image ads, video ads, the list goes on and on. So let's say here we want to try this video ad here. Okay, we can actually hit recreate. We can actually see it's a decent match. We can see the fit, the style, and it tries to match based on our social platform, based off our following. So it's just as simple as hitting recreate this ad. So we can actually add a product image. We can say, hey, what this product is about. Again, we're making an advertisement video for our website this time around. So you can see what I put in, and then we can see our visual hook. We can actually just hit generate ad. Again, it has the ability to analyze our script, go through and make the ad for us. And our video is done. And pretty cool, and it works well. And you can see here we have access to the caption. We can like publish it, we can make edits, we can download it. We have access to this video so we can use it wherever we want. Now, there is one last feature I want to show you, and it is a big one, and it's something I talked about in the beginning of this video, which is auto posting. In the top left, we have auto posting, and under auto posting, you can start off by selecting your UGC avatar. So this is the person that's going to represent your brand throughout. So you can see there are a lot of different options. So maybe we want this guy to represent us. We can hit continue. And now you can actually see we have the type of content we want to post. So do we want single images, carousel images? Do we want to add UGC videos? Do we want to have like with hooks or without hooks? Do we want to do image reels? We have the ability to post whatever we want, whenever we want. You can actually see here posting frequency. So do we want to do like light or maybe 10 posts a week? And then we can even say, hey, this is the type of content we want to have. So focus on the benefits of the Ring doorbell and be professional. We can hit continue. You can see here we have the ability to add different sources of content. So maybe we want to add the Ring doorbell website, or maybe we want to add a Wikipedia link. Whatever we want to add, we can add that. You have access to your own visuals, your own assets. We can connect a store if we want. So if we have a Shopify, a Wix, you can connect your own store and it can pull products from your store and post those. You can see here we have our business overview. We can continue. We can adjust the posting times. We also have the ability to decide which social platforms it's going to post to. And when it's all said and done, you can see a nice summary of what it's going to post, where it's going to post, how it's going to post, and all the platforms and everything it's going to do. On the left side, there's also a content calendar, so you can actually see exactly what is being posted, where, and when. Needless to say, if you are a content creator and you want to add content to your social media, or maybe you have a product, you're running a Shopify website, you want to promote something, Predis.ai is extremely powerful and easy to use, and it automates all the manual labor, all the manual tasks that you probably don't like doing already. It's one click, you get the templates, you can easily post and schedule out content for an entire month in less than an hour. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Franklin, after editing, I have some coupon codes for you. You get 20% off. I'll have them in the description below. And if you just want to give it a free try, there is a free trial account just by signing up. So give it a go. Let me know what your thoughts are once again in the comments. If you guys enjoy AI, don't forget to subscribe for more AI content and like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.